Hare Krishna devotees, welcome to my channel Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. Now today we are going to discuss about episode 5. Krishna is complete whole. Bhagavad Gita introduction foundation class. Today is the topic of Brahman, Paramatma and Bhagavan. What is complete whole? We have misunderstanding the complete whole or misunderstanding of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna. So, different people study the complete whole differently. So, those who have more patience, they will reach up to the personality of Godhead. One should be dedicated to find the absolute truth. Otherwise, end up the topic in the middle or thinking that to be ultimate to the goal. When British introduced trains, everybody was enthusiastic. When they announced, everybody looks like villagers on the shore. Everybody is eager. So all the villagers came. Everybody is serious and curious. But training is not coming yet. Train is not coming yet. They are eagerly waiting. Not coming train. Not coming. Train. Finally, yes, it is coming. They saw some light first. So, we saw and they jumped and left and to tell others. Whenever we know something, we tell to others. It is light. Some people thought, let us wait, let us see. They are little more patient. So they waited. They saw bogies. We got it and ran and tell to the villagers what they thought. The train is. Some people really patient. They saw passengers coming out of the bogies. They thought that it is a vehicle which we can use it for traveling. Of course, goods were also there. They understood the full picture of the train. Similarly, we should be deep persons to understand the absolute truth. With superficial, we end up with either Brahmajyoti or Paramatma and think we know what is Brahman, what is Paramatma, what is ultimate. We should have little patience. So, if you understand the appliances of a person, he has a big car, you see him going in a car, so many assets, and he has a big bungalow. You are thinking, who is he? That is what he is. He has a car, assets, bungalow, etc. Person who is little more interested, go and see what job he does, whether he has married or not, whether he has children or not, what is he doing, what are his activities. That is little more. But one who makes relationship with him understands his heart, what he likes and what he does not like, what are his tastes, what are his desires. That person understood the person completely. It is something like that understanding impersonal Brahman means understanding Krishna's effulgence, Krishna's bodily rays. It is spiritual. There is no material tinge in that. But it is not a complete understanding. Paramatma means Upadrashta Anumanta. He is the sanctioner of everything. He is the observer of everything. That means they are only his functions. Like as much as what is he. He is an engineer. That is his function, his designation. What he does, he observes everything and sanctions everything. That's his primary function. But if you go more person Krishna, he is the friend of Arjuna, Krishna Sakha, Partha Sarathi, Yashoda Nandana, Devaki Nandana, Radha Ramana. In this way, he is related to his devotees. He has relationships. He has friends. He has parents. He has desires. He does so many pastimes. And he loves everyone. That means the understanding the person completely, what he likes, what he does not like. Sometimes Krishna likes something and next moment he likes completely opposite. That is Krishna. So in this way, but in both cases Krishna loves. If you understand those things, then you understand what Krishna is. Krishna is Madhuram in every aspect. Adharam Madhuram, Vadanam Madhuram, Nayanam Madhuram, Asitam Madhuram, Hrudayam Madhuram, Gamanam Madhuram, Madhuradipate, Akilam Madhuram. In the same way, whatever Krishna does, it is good for us. He is doing out of love. If you understand this, you understand what Krishna is. Krishna is Madhuram means his lips are sweet, his face is sweet, his eyes are sweet, his smile is sweet, his heart is sweet, his gait is sweet, everything is sweet about the emperor of this sweetness. When we understand Krishna's loves, then we understand Krishna as a person. Otherwise, we can't understand Krishna as a person. Even though we come to Krishna consciousness, we know only Brahman realization, outer realization, or up to Paramatma realization. More or less than this, Krishna is transcendental. I am spirit soul. This is Brahman realization. Unless we develop a relationship with Krishna and his devotees, we don't understand Krishna completely. So, understanding a heart of a person is actually true understanding of a person. What Krishna wants me to do, that is Krishna's desire. By acting in that way, we act as servants. Then we actually understand we have a relationship with Krishna and I am acting in that way. That is pleasing to him. This is ultimate understanding. Srila Prabhupada gave another 2 examples. Those we will discuss in next episode. Today I am stopping here. श्रील गुरु महाराज की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, निताय गौर प्रेमानंद हरि हरि बोल।